Hey folks, I've had clients reaching out lately for the Northern Lights. I really want to go see the Northern Lights. How can I do it? I mean, should I go to Alaska at the end of a season or should I go over to Europe? Well, I got one tour partner that guarantees that you will see the Northern Lights or you get another cruise to try again. Hurtigruten Cruises up in Norway. If you book one of their Norway cruises between October 1st and March 31st, I want to say it's a 12-day minimum cruise, they guarantee that you will see the Northern Lights. And if you don't, you get another 6 to 7 day cruise within the Northern Lights period to try again. But if you are looking for the ultimate bucket list Northern Lights cruise, then you've got to follow the Northern Lights from Oslo to Helsinki. This is 17 days land and sea. It includes the Igloo Hotel, dog sledding, reindeer farm, Santa's Village, oh my God. And of course the Northern Lights cruise. So you have opportunities to see the Northern Lights on land and at sea. There are currently 18 departures available between December of 2024 and March of 2025. We are currently booking those cruises. So if you really want to see the Northern Lights and you want to have that guarantee that you will see them, come talk to us about Hurtigruten. So if you want to talk to us about the Northern Lights, about Hurtigruten cruises, hey folks, just reach out. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.